Which planet is also called the red planet? Answer: Mars. Which is the biggest planet in the solar system? Answer: Jupiter. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Answer: Venus. Which star is nearest to the Earth? Answer: Sun. What the name of Saturn's biggest moon? Answer: Titan. Who was the first woman to go into space? Answer: Valentina Tereshkova. Which country started the world's first newspaper? Answer: China. Who invented the steam engine? Answer: James Watt. Who called the father of the computer? Answer: Charles Babbage. In which country was chess invented? Answer: India. Where is Mount Everest situated? Answer: Nepal. Which is the smallest country in the world? Answer: Vatican City. Which is the biggest ocean? Answer: Pacific Ocean. Which is the world's largest rainforest? Answer: the Amazon. What is the boiling point of water? Answer: 100 degrees Celsius. Who is known as the father of mathematics? Answer: Archimedes. How many colors does a rainbow have? Answer: 7. Which country's national anthem has only music and no words? Answer: Spain. What is the full form of SIM? Answer: Subscriber Identity Module. Which is the tallest statue in the world? The Statue of Unity in India.